Today, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN for YouTube, so you can watch blocked or unavailable videos from anywhere. This method works on any device, phone, tablet, laptop, or PC. Just follow the steps the same way. And for this tutorial, I'll be using NordVPN because it's the best VPN for YouTube streaming, speed, and unlocking restricted content worldwide. You can also check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and follow along. First, open the YouTube video you want to watch. Sometimes you'll see a message saying the video is blocked or not available in your country. Once you have the video open, copy its link. On PC, copy it from the URL bar, and on mobile, tap the share button and copy. Now we need to find which countries the video is allowed in. Paste the link into a YouTube region checker website, and it will show you where the video can be played. For example, it may be available in the US, UK, Canada, Germany, or a few other regions, but blocked everywhere else. Once you know a country where the video works, it's time to connect the VPN. Here's how to use NordVPN to unlock YouTube videos. First, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and install it on your device. Once you've signed up, download the NordVPN app from Google Play, the App Store, or directly from the NordVPN website, and log into your account. When the app opens, you'll see a list of servers and a search bar. To unlock the YouTube video, connect to a server located in a country where the video is available. For example, if the video plays in the United States, connect to a US server. If it works in Germany, then choose Germany. After selecting a server, tap Connect. NordVPN will establish a secure connection and change your virtual IP to that location. For the fastest streaming performance and smooth playback, you can also switch to the NordLynx protocol in the settings it provides. Excellent speed with minimal buffering. Once connected, go back to YouTube and refresh the page. The blocked video should now play normally because YouTube will think you're browsing from the allowed country. This works for blocked music videos, regional content, movies, shows, and anything else restricted by location. NordVPN also includes features like threat protection to block ads and trackers, obfuscated servers to bypass heavy internet restrictions, and a strict no-logs policy to keep your activity private. With over 8,490 ultra-fast servers covering 129 countries worldwide, you have plenty of options to unlock content and stream smoothly from anywhere. And that's it. That's how to use a VPN for YouTube. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy unrestricted streaming today.